Hello guys, good morning and welcome to another weekly update episode 44. It's morning today guys. We are starting another weekly update. So I hope you guys will love this week update because we have a lot of stuff to show you. From the last week update I did, I show you that we'll be making some bag, and actually we've started making 2 days. I've been working tirelessly. So and last night again I did some work actually, but didn't get to finish it. But I just do some plan work, and I did not start the weekly updates not until today. So right now we turn the camera and show you what I did last night. And I just came to the shop this morning, so I will clean up the shop and show you how everything is. And by the way, don't mind me, it's very chill. The cold is much, that's why I'm putting on this cardigan, as you guys can see. So and actually I got a package here from a client for the bag we'll be making. I will show you. I will open it and show you what it's inside. So once I show you, but I will not be working on this particular, not till next week update, or maybe before the weekend. I will try my best, but I'll be making a video on this, and I will try to open it now and show you what is inside and proceed with the rest of the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, and any bag or any tutorial you would love to see on this channel, or like us to make this year, and we'll try our best. We'll try as much as possible to do that. So thank you guys for watching, and I will turn the camera now and show you the rest of the activities we'll be doing in the shop. Yes, okay, see you at the other side. So far this is how everything is. Actually, that those leather you see there, I think I have up to 4 leather here. So I've not cut out the pattern from it yet, but the one I've done are inside. So this is the package I'm talking about. Once I open it and see what is inside, I will show you guys. This is package sent to me. I've not opened it. It's still intact the way it is. It was delivered last night, but I dropped it here, and this morning I'll be opening it and talk to the client what is inside and what we are about to do. So this is the inside. As you can see, this black okay, I'm coming. So as you can see, this black material I've not cut it. This is what I will be starting with this morning. So and I have few left here, that some of the pattern for the bag. As you can see, this is 2 here, this is 1, this is another one, so this is 4. So most of this material you see here I've cut out from it. I've cut this one, I think this one, this one 2, this one 2, and this one 2 as well. And here they are. So once I'm making them, you guys will be seeing the outcome and how they are looking. But it's not much that I will finish everything and show you in this week update. If there's no time, you will see it in the next week update. And as you can see, that's what I have to make for the client. 10 bag, and the top one is 3, that one is 4, while the second one is 3 as well. But altogether I'm making, I think I should be making 17 bags, because I have some left here again, because I want to make extra in case I'm not making what they just asked me to make. I'll be making extra, and I will be working at once to finish everything. But since I have other work to do in this week again, starting this week, once I finish the 10 here or make few extra, I will stop it, then continue this one by next week. But I will focus on the new one they just brought, so that we can be able to finish on the time we have on the timeline, because I don't like to disappoint my clients. That's the reason why they keep coming back to me, because we don't disappoint here. We make things as promised. So that's just it. Everywhere is just litter. As you can see, this is from last night, but I will clean up now. Once I clean up, then I will start the work, and I will still talk to you guys and see you as the activities is going. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Share this with people you know it might be of help to them, and I will see you at the other side. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. So guys, as it's going now, this is all the cotton, both this, that is all the gold, this is all the green, the two different kind of green, and this is the lilac. Then some are outside. Here are all the materials, so I finished cutting them. So probably the work is a little bit much. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish up the work in this week updates, but I will try my best to do some so that you guys can see. It won't be as if maybe I just cut and waste your time for this particular week. So here are some as well that I want to start gumming together. Here are some. So here's another one. So once I finish it, or the one I do, I will let you guys see and the process of making it as well. So that is it for now. So I'll proceed to making the rest of the video. I hope you guys will stay tuned to watch it and learn. So guys, this is all what I did last night. As you can see, I've applied gum to everything here, this and this as well. This is 3, actually this is 3 and this is 3 as well, so I still have a long way to go, but probably I will not be showing this guy all these ones in this weekly update. So I'll just make a few I can make and we stop this week update because I still have some here I have to do. The work is much and I'm the only one at the studio right now. So guys, that's the update for you. So good morning guys. The latest updates, the one I kept yesterday, I was showing you, I'm done with every aspect of them. Applying gum today. It's not easy to apply gum, you have to even feel body pain. So and these are the rest. I've put everything part by part as I'm going to make them. These are some, but most of this one you will not be seeing it in this week update because there's not much time for me to finish them up. And this is the one I designed the other day. I think I should be using this for the thumbnail or how, I don't know yet. So that is what I did last night, and I think this is the part where I will be ending the video, but I will show you the one we finished inside. I did just 3, but the rest of this you will not be seeing here. So guys, something I have known in the past and I still want you guys to know is, if you have a huge work that you need to do, please don't rely on yourself that you are capable of doing that. It's going to stress you out, and at the end of the day you might fall sick. So it's very good for you to look for help, even if it's someone that is not good, but at least they will be by your side. You show them, do this, do this, do this. It is very good. You see, right now I'm the only one at the studio. Some of the apprentices and workers are not here, as we've resumed for the year. Actually, most of them are busy doing things, back to school. So it's very important you get help when you know you can. So that's that. So this is the one we did. I finished last night. So I was supposed to make 10 bags, so I decided to make 17, and out of 17 I just able to finish 3, and even the 3 is not finished because I've not put the rope yet. The ropes are here. The ropes are here. Okay, let me turn on the flash. So as you can see, these are the ropes. I did all this last night and here are some of the material as well. So this is the one we did. As you can see, they are looking elegant and beautiful. So if any of you want this, you can get in contact to me. My DM is always open, my WhatsApp is always open as well. So we mass produce for clients like this, and we make our own product. These are for clients. So if you want yours as well, you can get in contact and we'll do that for you as soon as we can. So here are the one we make. So as I've said, please get help when you need it. It is very, very important. So out of our board now, what are we going to click? We say we are going to make the top one 3, and we big jack. Okay. So we still have 4 and 3 to go, but it's not 4 and 3. I say I added 7 to it. So but that 7 is going to, I'm just going to drop it at the shop, but we'll try to finish it in the next week update. So I think this is where I will be ending this one. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. If you do enjoy this particular video, leave in the comment section below. You can share this with people you know it might be of help to them. And let me know in the comment section below if you want to see the video of how I make this particular bag. Then I will try my best to release the video for you guys. Let me know if you want to see the video, because I don't have intention of posting it. But if you want to see, let me know in the comment section down below. Know what we can do on how to show you guys on how to make this particular one, this particular design, not even the rest. This is just 3 among the design we are making. These 3 are of the same design. Other ones are different design. I think I'm making 3 different design. So one is much, that's one at the center are much, the one that has a V. Why this one is just, I think should be 5 or 6, and this carries everything. This one is just 3. So guys, see you at the other side.